My goal for Project 1 was to assemble and test the Lynxmotion robot arm, the purpose of which is to sort colored objects. This platform is a robot with 3 degrees of freedom made solely from revolute joints. It's actuated by 3 Lynxmotion smart servos, also known as LSS servos, and it also uses a simple RC servo to power its gripper for object interaction. To assemble the platform, I followed the quick assembly guide on the Lynxmotion wiki. The process was segmented into 6 steps: the servo setup, the base, link assembly, the mini gripper, total assembly, and finally, wiring. After assembly, I began testing the robot's motion using the Lynxmotion Flow Arm app. Unfortunately, the software did not produce expected results, so I switched to programming the bot myself using Lynxmotion's LSS Arduino library. I characterized the LSS servo angle ranges and interface with the mini gripper to get an idea of how the robot performs. I'm pretty pleased with the results. With the robot assembled and tested, I consider Project 1 a success. For the remaining projects, I aim to write forward and inverse kinematics functionality into my code to make the robot operation more autonomous. I also intend to implement color, object, and hopefully distance detection using OpenCV, as well as a sorting algorithm to sort objects such as solid colored cubes. I'd love to hear any comments, tips, or words of advice you may have when it comes to implementing these features, especially if you're experienced in robotics or computer vision. Thank you for watching.